Hi everyone, my name is Nikita. Welcome to another episode of AskBizsquare series. So based on the last episode, we have received quite a number of emails with regards to the question that you would like us to address today. So today we have actually handpicked 4 questions which will be answered by our founder and CEO of Bizsquare, Melvin Ho.
Thank you, Nikita, for having me back, and thank you everyone for having me back today. And here I'm going to share and answer all of your questions.
Alright Melvin, so first thing first, I'm pretty sure that you have received a lot of this kind of questions since you have been in this industry for like say 12 years. So actually, what is the difference between loan broker and consultant? Are they like interchangeable terms?
Basically, they are both a different type of people. Broker to me is someone who acts as an intermediary and pass documents from the client to the banks or the funder. Whereas a consultant is not just an intermediary. They are there to facilitate the deal, the loan. They act as an advisor, a consultant to help improve and value add the particular loan application. And typically, they will help to increase the chances of application by advising the client the right thing to do or even improve their business along the way. So there is some difference between the loan broker and a loan consultant per se.
Alright, so next question. Some of us actually wanted to know what is the difference between approaching a bank versus a loan consultant.
So for this question, there are 5 factors why people come to the loan consultant instead of going directly to the bank. One is many consultants actually have a huge contact and network where they can actually go to different banks and understand what the bank actually wants. Okay, so with that, they are able to source for different loan packages for the client. Second is many good consultants, they actually have very good experience and knowledge and expertise to actually help the customer to increase the chances of approval, and they are also able to guide the SME grow their business. Thirdly, there are also many other alternative funders and financial institutions out there where many laymen or even SME owners does not even know about it. So many good consultants actually have good connection to actually get business owner to actually get alternative funding. So fourth, typically a good loan consultant will negotiate for better terms such as interest rate, fees, and even negotiated for better loan quantum for the business owner. So instead of you negotiating yourself, the loan consultant is there to help you negotiate on your behalf and advise you on a better term. Of course, number 5, they are able to help you handle a small and essential details such as form filling or such as attention to nitty-gritty details that you might have missed out, so that you are able to use your time to run business instead of doing the administrative work on the loan. So these are the few good factors where people come to us versus directly going to the bank. So I hope this will actually able to share with you guys what we do.
Right, interesting. So actually, what are some things that banks look out for when people apply for loans?
Actually, the bank look out for many things, but here I'm going to share with you a few main things that the bank actually look out for. First is actually the credit standing of the business owner, the personal guarantor that is coming in as well. And of course, next would be the financial standing of the company, whether they are doing well, making money, how's their cash flow like as a company. Of course, third will be the business nature and what the business is doing in this current environment. For example, in the pandemic, events company or even wedding company, they are affected, stuff like that. So, or even F&B, what business you are in, it actually affect your approval. And also, the last one would be how much loan you have will also affect your loan amount or even whether you can get loan. If you got too much loan, it also affect your loan approval rate.
Right, so on to the last question. Do you have any advice for business owners out there who wants to look for a loan consultant?
For business owner who's looking for a business consultant, definitely there are 3 points where you need to take note. One is make sure that they have a proper contact info, have a proper business address so that they have an office and they are not fly by night in a way. Second is make sure that they give you transparency, such as they have contracts with you, they have a proper information, PDPA related stuff, so that your information are protected and they tell you their rates upfront and things like that. So lastly and most importantly is they don't overpromise, because I have seen many loan consultants or brokers, they tell you that this loan can be done and things like that, but in the end we need to know that there's no guarantee because they are not the loan approval, it's the credit department in the bank who is the one who is approving them. So do take note that there's no guarantee approval such a thing, so make sure that they don't overpromise. So other than these 3, hope you guys learned something.
Alright, thank you Melvin for answering all these 4 questions. We hope that you have actually learned something new today. So as always, you can email us at bizsquare.com.sg or alternatively, leave your questions under the comment section if you would like us to address this in the future episodes. So with that, my name is Nikita and thank you.